Congratulations, Coach Ronald. From the heartbreaks in the past, paano nyo nang nakitang natuto ang Terra Firma? Paano nagbago yung approach in the end game tonight?
Well, siguro this game, swerte kami. Kasi we really want it. Kasi the last few games na medyo bitin yung energy. Tsaka yung end game doon bumibigay. So this game, pre-game pa lang, sinabihan namin na same makaka-match up kami with the NLEX, although they're like 6-0 or 5-0. Pero matchup-wise, makaka-match up kami. So all we need to do is to compete every possession. So yun, just happened nung first half, medyo we gave them 65 points, I think. So it's a no-no for us sa ano namin. So sabi na namin coaches, we need to tighten up our defense, we keep on fighting. Nakabalik.
Ngayong maulan na Biyernes sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium.